What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for our pre-show. We just planned it. It filled up, so we're going to go ahead and rock it. We're 15 minutes away from going live for that one. Live, good luck. 4 times on the random will get us our teams. It's 9:03 in Newfoundland. I got to get rid of these numbers. Give me 1 second. So this is the pre-show. It is a master case of Upper Deck Black. And then later tonight we have our $140 Mega Break. Just two cases going to be broken tonight. And we're giving away a Steve Yzerman autographed Olympic jersey. It's a hell of a jersey, so we're going to give that away to a lucky winner. Last few numbers, we'll figure out who has who then. Okay, there you go. There's your names, and there's your teams. It is 9:03. Good luck, folks. We'll start with the teams. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp is 9:04. 9:04 it is. Last and final on the teams. Good luck. Fourth and final timestamp. Fourth and final timestamp. We got 9:04 and 9:04. Calgary finished on top, and Edmonton halfway mark. Not bad teams to have. Keep an eye out there. And then the Islanders to Toronto, also not a bad team to have in this stuff. Keep your eyes peeled there, folks. Now we got to do the names. 9:04. J to Matt. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 9:04. 9:04 it is. Last and final is going to do it. Let's copy these bad boys over. All right, fourth and final timestamp of this break is at 9:05, and 9:05 it is. So we got Mr. Jarvis down to Ryan, and J to Terry. Congrats, Terry. All right, here's your teams, guys. We're going to post them, let you guys do your trades. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Best of luck.